The Tifgalop ES7pro electric bike is a powerful and versatile e-bike designed for riders who demand exceptional performance, comfort, and durability. Equipped with advanced features, this bike excels in both urban commutes and off-road adventures, making every ride an exhilarating experience. At its core, the ES7pro boasts dual 750W supermotors that deliver an impressive 90 Nm of torque in just 2 seconds. Its sine wave structure ensures smooth power delivery and effortless control across 5 speed settings, allowing you to customize your ride for various terrains and conditions. This motor configuration guarantees an intuitive and responsive riding experience. Powering the bike is a robust 52V 21Ah LG/Samsung battery, featuring newly developed 18,650 lithium-ion cells. The battery is designed with a quick-detachable and sealed configuration, achieving an IPX6 waterproof rating for reliable performance in all weather conditions. Removable for easy charging, it holds the UL 2271 International certification for safety and durability, ensuring long-lasting, efficient energy storage. The front and rear suspension systems on the ES7pro absorb shocks and vibrations, providing a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough or uneven terrain. Combined with hydraulic disc brakes featuring 160mm rotors on both the front and rear, the bike offers precise and reliable stopping power in any weather, ensuring safety during high-speed descents or sudden stops. For enhanced visibility and safety, the ES7pro includes integrated taillights that flash during braking, serving as a warning light visible up to 50 meters. Its bright LED headlight illuminates up to 20 meters ahead, making night rides safer and more convenient. The bike is equipped with a 5-speed multifunction LCD color display that provides real-time ride information and high-definition clarity. This vibrant interface enhances your cycling journey with detailed data on speed, battery level, and more, elevating the overall riding experience. The puncture-resistant fat tires offer added durability and protection against thorns, glass, and other debris. These high-quality tires ensure excellent traction and stability on various terrains, including snow, mud, grass, and gravel, making the ES7pro a true all-terrain companion. Whether tackling rugged trails or cruising city streets, the Tifgalop ES7pro electric bike delivers unparalleled power, comfort, and style, redefining what it means to ride with confidence and adventure.